Welcome to Redefine Travel, your source for traveling ideas. Now, sun or no sun, we can still feel the temperature rising and the heat taking over. That's the perfect time to start thinking about the ideal location to escape to. For aficionados, vacations wouldn't be complete without enjoying a fine cigar somewhere in the mix. Finding a place to enjoy a good cigar is a vacation must that you can do anywhere. However, if you're looking for some cigar-centric activities, you'll want to check out one of these top travel destinations for cigar lovers. Number 12. Miami, Florida, USA. Unsurprisingly, opening our list as the world's most popular vacation spot. Not only is Miami a great hotspot for many holiday makers, but it's also home to the oldest cigar factory in the U.S., the El Crédito Cigar Factory. Tour the centuries-old building and even watch the workers hand-roll some of the world's most delicate stogies. If you enjoy a night out on the town, a Miami trip is the ideal location for you, with a range of vibrant bars, bustling nightclubs, and suave restaurants across the city in which to enjoy a drink and a smoke. Number 11. Italy. Thanks to the majority of the entertainment industry, everyone associates the Amalfi Coast with the rich and famous. But hey, that doesn't mean an average Joe can enjoy it as well. Amalfi Coast has a lot to offer, from its small beaches to its limoncello liqueur, so go indulge in a Montecristo cigar and wash it down with some of that world-famous limoncello. Number 10. Ecuador. The cigar industry can't get enough of Ecuadorian Habano leaf. Ecuador has been a mecca for growing most of the world's best cigar wrappers. Ecuadorian Habano is arguably the most widely used wrapper today for rolling premium cigars. Now, Ecuador is home to 32 active volcanoes. The soil is so rich and fertile, almost any seed planted will flourish. The ash and other volcanic residue acts as an organic fertilizer, making the soil rich in minerals and ideal for growing tobacco. Number 9. France. France, the homeland of Quai d'Orsay, has everything we need for the summer: magnificent cuisine, enticing culture, and warm, dry Mediterranean summers. France is just the right place for those who want to combine pleasure and fun with leisure and culture. Whether you choose to visit Paris or take a small break at the cosmopolitan French Riviera, France is the best place to smoke a Quai d'Orsay, Secreto Cubano, like a king. Number 8. Switzerland. While perhaps not the first place you think of when considering a cigar-related getaway, Switzerland is on this list for good reasons. Switzerland is actually a key player in the cigar industry, with the headquarters for Davidoff and Filiger both located here. Most of the cigars will be outsourced to Dominican tobacco plantations, but the finished products are sent via Switzerland for approval and taste testing, so you may be able to get your hands on a few great smokes here. Number 7. Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. The Sin City of Las Vegas is known for its non-stop parties, luxurious hotel casinos, and excessive heat. You can see it or do it all there. When visiting Las Vegas, it's obligatory to have a smoke. There's no better way to find out what the full Vegas experience feels like than with a Cohiba Bahiki 54 and a glass of top-notch champagne, and yes, that is a great pairing. Don't forget to bring your Cuban sticks with you though. If you want to learn all the tips about flying with your sticks, read our blog, The Do's and Don'ts When Flying with Cigars, and find out everything you need to know before boarding. Number 6. Honduras. Full of adventure, Honduras is known for its thriving ecosystems, such as the Rio Platano Biosphere Reserve and various activities including kayaking, diving, and snorkeling at Hortón or rafting at the Rio Cangrejal. Cigar lovers should be sure to visit Carretera a la Paiso and take the Rocky Patel Cigar Factory tour and see the breathtaking Jamastran Valley tobacco fields. Number 5. Nassau Bahamas. The capital of the Bahamas, Nassau is home to Grey Cliff Cigars, which offers one of the best cigar-related travel experiences. As well as producing cigars, Grey Cliff runs their own hotel, where they offer a range of cigar-related activities, such as cigar rolling lessons, demonstrations, and rum tasting sessions. The island is rich in culture. You'll be able to sample some delicious local cuisine here as you explore the city or relax on the white stretches of sand that frame the area. Number 4. Tampa, Florida, USA. The vibrant city in Florida, once the cigar capital of the world, continues to attract aficionados as a result of its place in cigar history. After cigar manufacturers flocked to the city in the 17th century, bringing with them hundreds of Spanish and Cuba immigrants to work in the cigar factories that they planned to build. The communities of workers then formed one of Tampa's most popular neighborhoods, Ybor City, which is now where the annual Cigar Heritage Festival is held. With a bustling nightlife and some fantastic Latin American food, this city could make a great Hollywood destination. Number 3. Nicaragua. increasingly popular among travelers. Nicaragua has a ton to offer, from volcanoes to explore like Cerro Negro, gorgeous beaches, and great surf, and let's not forget the amazing coffee. For the cigar lover, a visit to the cigar capital, Esteli, is a must. Sign up for Drew Estate's Cigar Safari for a full hands-on cigar experience. Esteli Cigarros is a recommended stop for those who love cigars, as it includes a free factory tour along with a tour of tobacco fields. At Plasencia Cigars, where Casa Magna, Rocky Patel, and Alec Bradley cigars are made, visitors get a chance to create their own blend. Also, don't miss seeing the Portomo tobacco. Number 2. Dominican Republic. Whether you like to keep it low-key with a leisurely round of golf on the La Cana golf course, or want to seek some excitement on the Jarabacoa adventure, all cigar lovers will agree that the Dominican Republic is a must. In Santo Domingo, visit the Tabacalera de Garcia factory, the largest in the world. Also in the Dominican Republic are La Aurora Cigar World, Davidoff Factory, Tabacalera Palma Field and Factory, Casada Cigar Factory, Tabacalera La Alianza EP Carrillo Factory, La Flor Dominicana Tobacco Field and Factory, Don Lucas Cigars, and the De Los Reyes Cigar Field and Factory. Number 1. Cuba. It may come as no surprise that Cuba is the #1 destination for cigar lovers. Not only is the Caribbean island home to some of the world's most renowned cigars, but its tropical climate and stunning scenery also make it one of the most luxurious places to visit. Embark to the Cuban capital of Havana to visit authentic factory tours and see firsthand the high quality of Cuban tobacco. Explore the plush tobacco plantations where the infamous Habano tobaccos are harvested. Then head to one or both of Ernest Hemingway's favorite watering holes for drinks. It's been said that Hemingway preferred his daiquiris at upscale La Floridita, a very popular spot for tourists, although La Bodeguita del Medio has the feel of the local crowd and makes excellent mojitos. So, what did you think of our video? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more of our awesome content. And please give us a like and share the video. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for timely updates of our new uploads. See you next time on the channel.